Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool PAD part #W10133603. Whirlpool PAD part #W10133603 is a replacement part for Whirlpool washing machines. It is a pressure switch actuator pad that helps to regulate the water level in the washer. The pressure switch actuator pad is a rubber-like material that is located on the back of the washer near the water inlet valve. It helps to detect when the water level has reached a certain point and then sends a signal to the control board to shut off the water supply. This part helps to ensure that your washer does not overfill with water, which can cause damage to your machine. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Whirlpool PAD part #W10133603 is a replacement part for a washing machine. It is used to replace the water inlet valve and can help fix issues such as water not entering the washer, washer not filling, washer not draining, or washer leaking. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the dishwasher at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the lower access panel of the dishwasher by removing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Locate the existing pad and disconnect it from its wiring harness. 4. Install the new pad by connecting it to its wiring harness and securing it with a screw or two. 5. Replace the lower access panel and secure it with screws. 6. Turn on the power to the dishwasher at the circuit breaker and test for proper operation of your new PAD. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.